Hey fashion lovers! The first ever fashion prize is coming to downtown Shreveport, October 4th. Earlier this year, the Agora Borealis held the Fashion Project at the Horseshoe Casino, where 7 local designers were handpicked to produce a collection from initial concept to final runway. Now we've teamed up with the Prize Foundation, who have brought you the Film Prize, the Music Prize, Food Prize, and now Fashion Prize. Don't miss your opportunity to see who wins the first Fashion Prize. Tickets are limited, so buy yours now at prizefest.org.